You can see that in this activity I created a flower, okay, and I put that flower, I created that on a A4 sheet, and then I put it in a sheet protector, okay. These material can be kept for long, you can use it many times. So just what you have to do is you have to write a number. You need a sketch pen. What parent can do, they can write a number, like I have done 5, and child has to quantify the number in the form of leaves. Like if it's 5, then a child has to create 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Later what you can do, you can erase it, okay, you can wipe it off because it's a sheet protector. You can easily remove it with the help of a wet duster or a tissue, okay. Then you can reuse it. You can write in another number like 7, and then child can quantify that number as well, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So this way child can learn to quantify number. You can raise the bar till 20. So quantification for smaller age group, quantification is till 10, and for higher age group you can do it till 20, okay. So do this activity for number quantification, enhance your mathematical skill. Bye bye.